Do you dread having to sort and match piles of socks every time you do laundry? Take the hassle out of sock matching and pairing once and for all. Introducing SockSync from CreateSmart. SockSync combines all the tedious steps of sock matching into one quick and easy process. Just take a single sock and wrap it around a SockSync cup. Wrap the next sock on the next cup and repeat till you find a match. As each match is found, simply place it on the already attached sock. Then fold the pair upward towards the opening and push through, letting the pair fall into the basket. Before you know it, you have a basket full of perfectly folded socks, ready to be put away in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Nothing could be simpler. SockSync is ergonomically designed to fit into your laundry routine. It's lightweight, easy to use, and won't tear or catch your socks. SockSync is available in 2 versions. Choose Motion or Station. SockSync from CreateSmart. Sock sorting has never been easier.